everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am here tonight with the October Allure Beauty Box. There we go. The Allure Beauty Box is a monthly subscription box, and for $15 a month you get some full, mostly travel-sized items. They say will be worth $50 to $90 and are curated by the editorial team at Allure magazine. Inside each box comes this little mini mag that talks about the items in the box, written by one of the various editors that work with these products. They used to be a little plastic pouch, but it looks like they've gone back to this style of putting everything right in the box. So I guess those pouches weren't working out for them. Let's look inside and see what we got. The best part, obviously. First thing in here that I see is actually a coupon for some jewelry. Gorgiana jewelry. It's a 20% off coupon. And the next thing that I see is some eyeshadow. Model Co. Metallic Eyeshadow Trio in the shade St. Tropez. Yeah. So let's see what that looks like. There you go, nice autumnal metallic palette. I will do a quick, metallics often don't show up as well with a quick swipe test, but I will do a quick swipe using the most gold one on the outside, and then the medium one in the middle, and the darkest brown right here. It's bronzier. And that is what they look like on. I mean, that's a pretty good color payoff from a quick swipe test. I'm impressed. Okay, Model Co. The next thing that I see is another Model Co product. A liquid metallic eyeshadow in the color Granite. The Eyelights metallic eyeshadow. I have kind of a rosy gold version of one of these, of this product. So let's see what Granite looks like. Oh, it's very shimmery. I don't know if that's going to catch through the tube. Let's put it on my hand. I'll slide it right under the other ones. It's one quick swipe across the bottom. It's got a fair amount of glitter to it. Let's see what the editorial team has to say about these products. This is a blackened silver cream shadow. Dries quickly. Story checks out. It's non-transfer already. And the other palette creates a sexy bronzy smoky eye in less than 2 minutes. Maybe less than 90 seconds. I could see that. It's a very simple combination, so pretty easy to make a quick eye out of that. The next thing I'm going to pull out is Bausch & Lomb Lumify eye drops? Redness reliever eye drops. That's the actual size, it says. I am not going to test these eye drops live on camera because it would probably take a team of people to hold me down. I don't take well to eye drops. They do not have a write-up, but there's a little ad for them on the back cover of the mini mag. Let's see. The next thing is an M61 Powerful Skincare Power Glow Peel. 1 minute, 1 step exfoliating facial peel. So many words. A quick glycolic and salicylic acid exfoliating peel with vitamin K, bilberry, and chamomile. This peel works well even for sensitive skin. It's loaded onto pads and you just wipe them on. It makes your skin smoother. And it says it's not irritating even for sensitive skin, so. That sounds easy. Just wiping your face with a pad and moving on. Anybody can do that, right? Okay. We have everybody's favorite Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. Who doesn't love the Boom Boom? Sol de Janeiro. I'm obsessed with this. I actually bought like an ultra sized one of these. It's like this tall. It's amazing. Yeah, this stuff is great. It's highly moisturizing, classic body butter. It's not greasy. It smells amazing. Like life-changingly amazing. Sugary, buttery, beachy, like coconuts and popcorn. I don't know if I get the popcorn, but according to the person who wrote this editorial, they smell popcorn. It is definitely coconut forward, but I'm obsessive about it. I love to put this on my dry legs so much. Thank you for existing, Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. Honestly. Okay, the next little jar in the box is Ice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream by Sunday Riley. Let's see. If you could bottle Glowy Dewy Radiance, you would arrive at this brand new moisturizer from Sunday Riley. It reminds the editor a little bit of icing in the tub. All right. It's apparently an amazing moisturizer that smells like vanilla. It does smell like vanilla. Confirmed. Oh, and the last thing in the box is this Night Mineral Bath Salts with essential oils. This is good for soothing muscles after a workout. Relaxing achy spots. It has just this big packet here, it's kind of heavy, has just the right amount of salts for one bath. And apparently, when you dump them into the water, the water will turn bright electric blue. So, but don't worry, it won't stain your skin or the tub. It rinses right out, and it smells like lavender and eucalyptus mainly, which sounds really soothing if I'm honest. That sounds fun. That is everything in this month's Allure Beauty Box. So, what did you think of it? Aside from this being my favorite product of all time, I already have a giant jar of it. So the thing I'm actually most excited about in this box is this Sunday Riley Ice Moisturizer, because it's new and I haven't tried it before. And Sunday Riley skincare is usually fantastic, so who wouldn't be excited about that? Which item in this box would you be most excited to receive? Let me know in the comments down below. I can't wait to hear. I really enjoyed opening this box. Thank you for opening it with me. It certainly makes it fun. And I hope that we get to do it again real soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.
For more adventures of a girl and her box, click the playlist in the top left. If you want to see what we get up to in our life around here, click the playlist in the top right. I'll put my last Allure box down at the bottom. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the circular icon of my face. Thanks for watching!